So this is the molar volume quiz, and this is, of course, anytime we have a gas at STP, we can use this wonderful little conversion factor, the 22.4 liters. So for the first one, you're told that at STP, 2.7 liters of hydrogen gas is produced. What's the mass of the hydrogen? So obviously we're starting off with our 2.7 liters of H2. I tend to jot down for myself that at STP as a reminder, because after this we're going to start working on problems where they're not at STP, so it's real nice to have that. And we know that 22.4 liters of H2, that's the volume of 1 mole of H2 at STP, and we're asked for grams. So we also know that 1 mole of H2 has a mass of 2.02 grams. So what we get is a raw answer of 0.243482143 grams of hydrogen, and we only have 2 sig figs, so this becomes 0.24 grams of hydrogen as a final answer. So not a lot of mass, pretty tiny. But of course, anytime that you have something in moles, you can go to grams. Anytime you have something in grams, you can go to moles. All right, so for number 2, this is a really simple one-stepper. 4.2 moles of chlorine gas are produced at STP. What's the volume of the gas? 4.2 moles of Cl2. And as a reminder to self, I tend to write at STP so that I can't screw that up. 1 mole of Cl2 occupies 22.4 liters at STP. So I get a raw answer of 94.08 liters of Cl2. Since I have only 2 sig figs, I get just 94 liters of Cl2. Those are beautiful, lovely, simple. Every year I put one of those on the test for this chapter, and every year multiple people screw it up because they think it can't be that easy, and they do something really arcane and weird. And sometimes they do something arcane and weird that actually gets them to the right answer. Sometimes they do something arcane and weird that doesn't. But yeah, there are problems that are that easy if it's at STP. Okay, and the final one, what's the volume of 436.5 grams of CO2 produced at STP? So our given now is in mass, 436.5 grams CO2, and we are told that this is, of course, at STP. All of these are. So we have to go do a molar conversion first. So 42.01 grams of CO2, which we got by doing this. And that's equal to 1 mole of CO2. And of course we know that 1 mole of CO2 at STP occupies a volume of 22.4 liters. So what we get as a raw answer is 222.1676892 liters of CO2. That's a lot of gas. And we have 4 sig figs to work with. So we're going to take it all the way to there. So we get 222.2 liters of CO2. I could not plan answers like that if I tried. I assure you it is entirely accidental. So that's it. You guys did a great job with these. So did the other class. Everybody who took it did really well. I had more bonus points on this than I've ever had on any FIP in my entire career of FIPPing quizzes. So good job. Okay, now we're going to move on to what do we do when we're not at STP, because that's the next question.